everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is MissSharz. In case you are stopping by for the first time, in case you've been around, you know that you are most definitely welcome. On today's clip, I'd love to share with you a quick tutorial on how I achieve my head wrap. Okay, so this is the kind of head wrap, like headgear I really love to wear, especially during summer, you know, because it's just gorgeous and super easy to do. So before I waste so much of your time, let's go ahead and get this done. So for this tutorial, you'll need a head wrap, of course. Yeah, so the head wrap I'm using is quite large, and that's why I fold it into two, or rather into half. Yeah, once I've folded it into half, I put it at the back of my head. Yeah, and now this is where you start, you know, like shaping it the way you want. For me, I don't like covering my ears completely and also not covering them at all, you know, because sometimes I just love wearing my earrings and I just like letting that part out. Yeah, so what I'm doing now is I'm tying this head wrap into a loop. Yeah, so you want to tie it up to the end. Make sure it's not too tight because you don't want to have a headache. Okay, yeah, so what I'm doing right now is like rolling it around that top part of my head. If you like, you can like do it on the side, you know, or on the back, but I love wearing mine right there. Yeah, now what I'm doing is I'm trying to hide that little tiny bit left of the cloth. Yeah, and that's it. You're good to go. What I love about this head wrap is that it's quite stretchy, so it's really easy to work with, but you can use any other head wrap that you have at home. Next thing, I'm going to use my styling gel to just lay down my edges. Yeah, I actually did this before, but yeah, I don't know. I just have to do it again. Yeah, and you're good to go. This is a very easy style that you can wear any time of the year, you know. Yeah, very effortless. That's how the back looks like. It's quite secure, so you don't have to worry about it coming off when you have your bad hair day. Yeah, and that's it. My dears, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for holding by. I hope you loved it. In case you loved this clip, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and in case you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so, because I'm not sure you want to miss such videos in future. Okay. Hope to catch you all in my next video. Stay safe. Bye bye.